Morning, guys. Um, oh, that's it, Dave. Why don't you just photobomb my video? I'm down at the unit, and I'm gonna. I'm still on with Hooligan. That's at home. So this is at the unit now. What I'm going to do is, in between, I'm trying to do two things at once, rather than just do one thing and wait till that's finished and do another thing. I'm going to try and do a couple of things. So what I'm going to do with this Bandito is, as you can see, look, the exhaust is pretty shit. I don't even know what that is. Some sort of bloody gasket stuff in it. Anyway, oops, Dave. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that home. I'm going to get them downpipes off, because if we look at that oil cooler, you can see that that's not right. There's no way on this earth that should come through the downpipes. I think what it should do is, I think that the oil cooler should come and go up the frame somewhere away from the exhaust. It's even twisted there, look, and I don't think that's the original exhaust for it. The original oil cooler for it as well, to be honest with you. So, right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this, and that's why they've taken the centre stand off. I've bought another centre stand for it. So I've got another centre stand. That's why it's been taken off, isn't it? Because it's got that stupid fucking 4x1 on underneath. Is it? I don't know. But I'll get this exhaust off, take it home with that, and I'm going to put the centre stand on today. That's all I'm doing today. Right, I will be back in a minute. I think Dave and Willow found a new friend. Hello. Hello. Right, anyway. So I've got the centre stand on now. And I put it took me probably half an hour just to clean the threads from the bolts and in there, so the bolts would screw in properly. And I don't know where my fucking spring puller is. So to get the spring on, what I did was, I took the stand off, the centre stand off, fastened the spring on the bottom part of it, hooked it on the top, and then just sort of like guided the stand in, and then if you waggle it from side to side, the holes eventually line up, and then it's just a case of smacking some bolts in and you're done. So what I've done now is I've just temporarily put the exhaust can on, because I'm going to start it now. And the reason I want to start it is because them bolts that hold the headers on, they are proper seized solid. So what I want to try and do is warm up, instead of bringing my blowtorch down, I'll try and warm up the engine, and then I'll just blitz it with some DW40 or something. Something like that, and try and get them loose that way. This stupid fucking oil cooler is just not the original oil cooler at all. But anyway, so I'll see if I can start it now. Now look, I've 100%, this hasn't been, just to show you that it's stone cold. So here goes. I don't know how loud it's going to be. There you go. Why ain't that start? Why is that clicking? What the fuck's that for, man? Oh, fuck. Oh no. Right, let me come back to you. Right, I took the side panel off, and that clicking noise, I just smacked that solenoid a couple of times, and then it sort of like started turning over. But it's still not fired up yet. It's still fucking freezing, look. So let's just, although it's spinning its fucking nuts off, let's see what it does. Ooh, we had a bit of action there, boys. Oh, you bastard's done it again, look. Clicking again. Right. I think all these electrics are fucked, to be honest with you. I think the whole electrics are knackered. Let's try that. No, right, 2 seconds. Right, guys. I've bought a right fucking lemon here. The electrics are knackered because I've got to keep banging that solenoid just to fucking get the lights on and get it to turn over. Fuck knows what that fucking relay's for. And every single one of these fucking exhaust cap head bolts are just, when I get the socket on, that just turns round. But then this one is too big to go in. I have had it running and they're still quite hot, but what I had to do was literally use a fucking tin of that and squirting it down there to get it going. What a piece of shit this is. Right. In fact, what I'll do is I'll see if I can get it started again, just so you can hear it. So let me squirt some of this shit down. Right, just bear with us. So it does run. So it is running rough, but that makes up. Oh, right. Anyway, you heard it run, didn't you? So them exhaust fucking studs. I'm gonna have to. You can't get into it because of that stupid fucking oil cooler. Right. So the engine runs. So what I need to do is, I'm off home in a minute because I've had enough. I'm going to take this oil cooler off. I'll drain the oil out, take the oil cooler off, and then I can get rid of it, and I can get to the front of that, can't I? Or shall I just fucking leave it and come back to it in a week, 2 weeks, 18 weeks fucking time, and give it another go? Right, anyway, so that's it. That's all I'm going to do today. So what I'll do is, so the main thing today was to put that centre stand on, which I have done. Getting the exhaust off was going to be a bonus, to be honest with you. So I'm going to leave it at that, guys, and I'll come back to it. I need to have a think about that fucking exhaust stud, don't I? Yeah, let me have a think about that. Right, I'm off home. I'm starving, and I think the dogs are bored. So, right, guys, yeah, just a quick update. I don't know even what I'm talking about. So I will. I'll see you guys later on. Bye.